How'd you like that intro? Welcome to Blossom Your Creativity. I'm Debbie, and I'm so glad you joined me today. Today, I am participating in Tablescape Tuesdays. I haven't done this in quite a while. This is a weekly collaboration that all creators can join in. Tuesdays at 6 p.m. The host of this is Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Her name is Anna, and Amethyst Adventure, and her name is Courtney. Both ladies are extraordinary, and if you're willing to set a table, tape it, and put it up. All right, let's see what I did. Welcome, my friends, to my haunted table setting. Look at that background. That is spooky. All right, so let's start right here in the middle. And I've got this cool looking candelabra. I got this from the 99-cent store, if you could believe that. And darn, I just took the tag off. I believe it was... Okay, I think that's better. And so you can see I've got the white and black stripe, and then I have the orange and black stripe, circular, whatever. So I just incorporated that along with this really pretty wire garland, and it has pumpkins and pine cones and little orange and yellow berries, and I thought that was really pretty. And again, it's, we're running from fall into Halloween, so it's okay to use those kinds of colors. So then on this side I have another one of those pumpkins and candle holder and a pumpkin, and I like this one. This green one's really pretty, and I got those a set of 3 at I don't know, one of those stores. All right, and then going down here, I've got some skulls. I got those from the Dollar Tree. And then here is a couple of ornaments that I got from Mackenzie Childs. Try to get a little close, but I think this light is making it hard. I'll get a better view in a few minutes, but it's super cute. And then on this side, I have the flying mouse. He's a magician mouse. And then, let me back up a little bit so you can see what those all look like together. All right, so now let's see how I set my table setting, my plates, table setting. I don't know, something like that. You know what I mean. All right. Here you go. And this is a plate that I made out of a napkin, and I have a little video that I'll be adding to the playlist, too. I'll be putting a video up on how I made these. This one, and there was something else I made, I forgot. But anyway, so so let's start with the I have a pretty orange tablecloth, and then it's like a burnt orange, and then I added this really pretty fall orangey looking placemat. And then of course I have my really pretty black and gold charger. It's absolutely beautiful. I love these chargers. And then my plate. So I decided not to use a salad plate today, only because I didn't want to cover up my picture. I really liked it. So we're just going to leave it like that. And then I have my basic flatware. And then I made this little napkin. I just folded a piece of material to make it look like a napkin. But I really liked it because it's got the webs and the spiders, and then I just put this real pretty napkin ring, which doesn't seem like it would go because it's supposed to be more spooky, but it's black with polka dots, and I thought, oh well, what the heck, let's just try it. So I think it looks pretty good. So that's a Mackenzie Childs napkin ring. And then over here, I just have my goblet, and then, okay, and then over here I have my goblet, and then I have this really cool martini glass, and it's got a skull on it, and it's black on the bottom, so it's perfect for this. So I thought that turned out pretty good. So what do you guys think? And so basically the other side is exactly the same, of course. I'll kind of just pan out just a little bit so you can see the whole table. And trying to go back as far as I can. There you go. I hope you guys like it. It's so pretty. It turned out pretty good. We're doing something at the last minute, but I think it looks festive, and I would love to sit down at this table. Now, you know, if you've been on my channel before, I always give you guys options. Now, I'm not going to change the plates. I'm just going to change a couple of different things because I like these plates that I made, and I'm going to keep them. So I will return in a minute. Okay, so here's the second look. I just removed that orange pumpkin and added this cute little sign I made. It's from the Dollar Tree, and I just simply painted it in certain different areas, and you can see it's kind of sparkles when I come the different views of the light. And then I added this skeleton, and this one actually goes with the other two that is on the table already. All right, so here we go with the changes. So what I did was I added this really pretty, so I added this really pretty placemat. This is from Mackenzie Childs, and they actually have a pumpkin just like this. Just not been able to purchase it because it's always so pricey. So I was able to get these on a sale, I don't know, maybe a year and a half ago. Already one Halloween has went by, so it's, I don't know if I used it last year or not, but I definitely wanted to bring it out today. And it's so pretty, and it's all beaded. You can see all the beadwork. It's just beautiful. And of course on camera it doesn't look as good as in person, but it is really pretty. So I decided to use this, and because I have this really pretty placemat, I didn't want to use a charger to cover the whole thing. So what I did was I just simply used this plate, and it's almost the same size as the one I made, but just to give it some color contrast and you know, some height, so it looks like, okay, there's, you know, a layer effect. So that's what I decided to do. And then for the napkin, I just simply use that same napkin ring, but now I've used one of the Mackenzie Childs paper napkin. And these are really high quality napkins, so they're really thick and they're really pretty. I love them. I don't know why I haven't been able to purchase an actual fabric one of the, oh, what is this called? The Courtney check. But I do have the blue, so I guess I haven't, I don't know why I didn't get it. But I do love my paper napkins, so they work just as fine, and you don't have to wash them. So I'll back up so you can see how it looks with the addition of the new placemat, the new napkin, and of course my center plate piece. I changed it up a little bit. I still left the candelabra showing, but I wanted to have my little Happy Halloween sign with some spiders on it. And think that was it. Oh, I have one other napkin look. Let me put it on here and you guys can tell me which ones you like best. All right, so I couldn't find a simple napkin ring, so I just put this cute little sparkly black vine on top. And this is the Mackenzie Childs napkin. I didn't want to put it on the table because I didn't think this orange went well with the orange on the tablecloth. But if you have it away from it, then it looks okay. So I'll have to find myself a plain napkin ring for next time. Maybe just a plain black. That's all I need. All right, so that would be the final option. So I've given you the napkin change. The first one was just a piece of fabric that I rolled up. The second one was a Mackenzie Childs paper napkin, and now I have given you the Mackenzie Childs fabric napkin, which I love because I love that black and white fringe on the bottom. So let me know what you guys think. Which one was your favorite? Which one is your favorite of the place settings as well? Okay, see you guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.